8th class student, exercise 11B, compound interest, question number 5. 5 is 62,500 is P and time will be 2 years and 6 months, R will be 12. Write the P is equal to 62,500, R is 12% per annum. Time is equal to 2 years and 6 months. Formula is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power is T. Here is T in two parts. P value will be 1 plus for 2 years, R will be 10, 12 upon 100 is power 2. Rest is 6 months. For 6 months 1 plus R divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. R will be 6 upon 100. That is bracket for 6 months and that bracket is for 2 years. Do the simplify. 4 3 25. 2 3 250. 1 plus 3 upon 25 has power 2. 1 plus 3 upon 50. 62,500. 25 1 25 plus 3 is 28 upon 25 has power 2. 50 1 50 plus 3 is 53 upon 50. Write the expanded form. 62,528 upon 25. Write the according to power. Power is 2. So we write the 2 times. And 53 upon 50. 1 0 by 1 0. 25. 25. 25 by 10. 5 2 10. After multiply 28 and 53 and will be 83,104 rupees will be amount. For CI compound interest to find A minus P, A will be 83,104 minus 62,500. After minus is 104, 6 and 20,000, 604 rupees will get the CI, compound interest. Question number 6 is complete. Question 7 is 5 question is complete. 7 question is first question. You put the value as the direct formula. Question number 7 is find the amount we find the amount here is P is equal to 8,000 time is 2 years or in given two parts. First R is 9% per annum. Second is 10%. To R1 and rate of interest are given two parts. Formula will be A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R1 upon 100, that is bracket first for first year and for the second year is equal to 1 plus R2. R2 upon 100, first and first will be 2 years. Putting the value 8,000, 1 plus R is 9 upon 100, 1 plus 10 upon 100, 0 divided by 0, 8,000, 100 multiply by 1, 100 plus 9, 109, upon is 100 into 10 1 ja 10 and 1 11 upon 10. Remove the bracket 8,000 upon 100 into 11 upon 10. 30 by 30. After multiply, we get the 109 into 80. 11 8 ja 88. We get the 9,592 rupees. Question 7 is complete. Question number is 12. 12 question is 8 question, 9 question. 8 question is as question number 3. Question number 9, 10, 11. 11 question is 6 as a 6. Question number 12 is question are about 16,000 Question are divided to the 16,000 at rate 7 whole 1 upon 2 per annum. Simple interest on the same day he lent the Gurmeet the same rate but compounded annually. What will gain at of the 2 year? He asked the difference between two interest SI and CI. SI simple interest and compound interest. P will be 16,000 and R is 7 whole 1 upon 2% per annum. Time is 2 years. For simple interest and same is for compound interest. Compound interest and simple interest P and R and T are same. 16,000 R is equal to 7 whole 1 upon 2% per annum. Time is 2 years. Change into improper 7 to the 14 and 15 upon 2 per annum. Formula is simple interest P into R into T upon 100. P here 16,000, R will 15 upon 2 into time is 2 upon 100. 2 divided by 2, 20 by 20. After multiply 15 0 0 15 6 90. 2,400 rupees he will get for the simple interest. Now find the compound interest. We put the value and R upon 100 is power 2. 15 upon 2% per annum will be R. P is equal to 16,000 1 plus 15 upon R value is 15 upon 2. 2 reached with the 100. Power is 2. 1 16,000 5 3 5 20. 1 plus 3 upon 22 40. Power is 2. 16,000 41 40 plus 3 43 upon 40 as power 2. 16,000. Remove the expanded form times 43 upon 40, write in 2 times. 20 by 20, 4 and 4 tanja. A will be 43 and 43 and 10. 3 3 ja 9, 4 3 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12, 16 and 17. 9 4 8 and 1 is 0. 18,490 rupees. He gets the amount for. CI will be 18,490 rupees minus 16,000. After minus 2,490 rupees. अब get the 16,000 rate 15 upon 2 in 2 year. He get the 2,400 rupees as the simple interest. He get the 16,000, 22,490 gain. Yeah, he gets gain is equal to, you mean difference by both interest minus CI minus SI. After minus is 90 rupees. 90 rupees gain, or you can write the difference between two interest, simple interest and compound interest. Thank you.